In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix or resolve if your game bar is not working on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select System, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says System Components. And then on the right side, either search System Components or just scroll through this field until you find the game bar. Select the three-dotted icon next to it, and then select Advanced Options. Scrolling down again, select Reset. If the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. Select Repair. Give that a moment. And then once you have a check mark, you can close out of here, relaunch the game application, and see if the game bar is working properly. If not, you can come back in here, and then this time you would select the second option that says if the system component still isn't working right, reset it. The system components data will be deleted. Select Reset. This will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. Give that a moment. And then once that's done, you have a check mark. I would suggest restarting your entire computer and then see if the issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.